Joe between Parahin, game number 5, Malari. First ball possession of the controls by number 3. Now to Malari. Shot! First game, first shot is good by number 5, Marlo. The skyscraper Malari. Now number 28. Oh! Sario, pass to number 1, Ocampo, looking for his teammates, pass to number 3, back to number 1, setting up the play, back to the steal, almost a steal, now from there by number 18, very clear by number 20, blocked by number 3. Atlantic basketball. 7. Oh, it's going towards second shot clock. Now by so number 3. Whereas by number 1. Now to Allen Canegal. Outside the lead. Stolen by the defensive minister. Same ball. Shot clock 20 seconds. Now to number 1. The co-captain pass to number 3. Sario, looking for his teammates, now to number 1. No pass, Malari is good, what a connection by number 1 and number 5. He scored 4-0. Iba na ang malaki. Number 1, Canegal, haras by number 1, pass to number 13, shot na 5 seconds. Malari, 24-second shot clock violation. What a defense by Onyx basketball. Okay, call. Ocampo. Attacking Johnson, rebound secured by number 19. The big guy, Vic Parahin. First rebound of the game. Now number 35, rebound by Malari. Now to Barcelona. Back to number 1. Shot clock is 15 seconds. Now Sario. The defense minister. Pass to number 1. Shot clock is 6 seconds. Attacking the lane. No by Ocampo. Rebound secured by Barcelona. Pass to number 3, Sario. Shot clock is 10 seconds. Sario. Shot clock rebound by number 28, Maliit. Now Maliit, Maliit using muscle shot is good. And 1 by number 28. Substitution. Alvarez. Canegal out. First free throw for number 28, Malin. Shot, no, rebound by Bison. It's stolen by number 3, Sario. Now, Ocampo, pass number 13, Boy, that's it. This game is brought to you by Rubens Basketball. What a steal by Barcelona. Pass number 1, Ocampo. Shot, oh, no good. Only one Ocampo steal. Now also, inbound the ball. 30-second shot clock. Pass to number 3, Sario, Marco Barcelona, jumper, number 3, rebound ball, put it out the pass to number 99, Alvarez. Pass to Malari, using his pass against Malari. Dribbling violation, not number 19. Too much force, too much dribbling. Now number 1. Oh, box 1 on number 13. Oh, flat for the shot, no good. Now to number 13. Oi! Foul on number 5. Already second personal foul. Second team foul on team Onyx. Already at 5 rebounds for number 38. Now Ola takes a 3. Rebound by Sario. Now Sario, the defense minister. Oh, you have a layup. What a rebound by number 99. Now to number 19. Layup by number 5. Pass to number 30. Bison, high-looking shot. Rebound secured by 30. Now to Craig. What a pass. The score is not tied at 4 with 5 minutes. Shot clock is 16. Vajali. Pass to number 3, Sario. Attacking the lane using the screen of number 22. What a gliding move by number 3. Mr. Loverboy, Sario. 6-4 is the score. Now number 99. Pass again to 99. Closer. Rebound by Craig Closer. Rebound by number 5. Now to number 1. Out of house pass to also by number 1. Pass by Ola. Now to number 3. Now Ocampo. Pass to number 5. Fadeaway jumper. Good rebound by Craig. His third rebound of the game. Now by John. Uy! Time out! Audience basketball. Official score 6-4 in favor of Audience. 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Back to the ball game. First try for number 30, Bison, no good. Second try. Ya, mabait na. Second try, rebound by Bison. Another pass to number 16. Another rebound by Craig. What a shot, what a feat by number 19. The score is not at 6. Now Sanchez, pass to the younger de la Torre. Inside pass to Empire, now to number 8, Magdai. No good rebound, but Empire pass number 16, Mercedes. Now this is steal by number 7, number by Sanchez, rebound by Craig. Ready for penalty. Time out. And that's it. Basketball. First personal foul, number 16, Sai Gutierrez. 1 point penalty with 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. This timeout is brought to you by Carmona Hoops. the ball game. Okay, basketball. The deep basketball. Estrada is now the ball. Now to Alvarez. Alvarez. Setting up the tempo. Now to Mani. Using his paddle. Foul on number 16. Penalty. Second personal foul on number 16. First line number. One of those games between these two teams. Second try for Mani. Lane violation. Offense basketball. Yep. Shut up. Number 12, Dario, now back to Sanchez for 3. Nobody got by Galain. Alvarez, 6 rebounds already. Alvarez, back to Galain. 1-1, double team, pass to number 28. So over. One defense by Aldits Basketball. Now, De La Torre. G-back. Sanchez, inside pass is stolen by Galain. What a defense by number 19. Sanchez, full shot. Oh yeah, what a foul on number 8, Magay. First personal foul penalty. First try for Galain is clear. Second try. Rebound by Sanchez. Now to De La Torre. G-Mac. Silver guy taking a 3. Rebound by Sanchez. Shot is clear. And the lefty. Now to number 38. Attacking. Is stolen. Oh no. On the steal. What a defense by Team Aldits. Single shot clock to 14 seconds to Mother. Now Alvarez for the lead. Rebound by number 10. Now the time pass to number 99. Lead up to the outside level. Rebound by Escalada. Secured by number 16. Oi, para turnover. Substitution of it. Dipurto, bandera ng pasain. De La Torre, Sanchez, Gutierrez, out. Now, Parahin, using his muscle. Good turnover, rebound by Hipólito. Pass, stolen by number 10. 99. Pass to number 6. Last 1 minute and 52 seconds. Substitution, Salcedo. Who's foul left? Number 16, Estrada. Second team foul on team Atlantic. Lampasa, now to Madera. Back to Lampasa. Now Madera. Looking for receiving. Jumper is no rebound by Mayano. What a foul. Right number. Foul number 19. Galain is first. Personal foul. 13 foul, 2 points. free throws for that Empanado. First try for Empanado. Details the twine. Second try for number 7. Rebound by Gail. 2-point lead for Team Olympics basketball. Now Salcedo. Pass to number 99. Now to number 10. Shot, double rebound secured by Lopasa. Now to the youngster number 21. Madera. Same ball, shot clock 15 seconds. 14 seconds. Now he's pulling it off. Now to number 7. Using his muscle. Missing the ball on number 8. First personal foul, 14 foul, warning for penalty, got 2 free throws for number 7. First try for Empanado. No good. Second try is good for Empanado. He followed up by number 3, Salcedo. Salcedo left, no good. Rebound by Salcedo. Against two defenders. Offensive foul on number 3. 55.8 seconds. Still a 3-point lead. Point blue. Now Lopasa. Now Madera. Hipólito. He's stolen by number 10. Counter steal by Madera. Stolen pass to Hipólito. By number 19. Shot clock 19 seconds. First block for number 19. Now, rebound by Garin is big rebound, jelly up by number 19. 32 seconds, 20 seconds shot clock. Inside pass is stolen by Garin. Now, layup by Alvarez. Change freeway, shot Latisto. Now Madera attacking. Pass to number 7. No shot. Rebound secured by number 7. No jump ball. Single. Shot clock is low. 13.4 seconds. Now Madera taking his time to take a 3-0 rebound by Gaig. He's flying rebound off the game, 6 seconds remaining. Salcedo, pass to number 89, no good rebound by Madera. Foul on number 99, Alvarez. LOC, 2 free throw shots for number 21. First try, no good. Out, close. Stop. Every partner, stop. Sige, second try is good. Start of the second quarter. Now Salcedo. Now Garzon. The left 3. No good rebound on this basketball. Now Ocampo. The smiling face. Point guard. Now, Sario. Now, Sario. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Ooh, yeah. Rebound, Malini. Malini has now 7 rebounds. Now, number 10, Martinez. 2-5 shot. Back, number 3, set on the left. 16. No good. The rebound by Sario. Shut down, 18. What a nice play. Inside pass, too much in the air, but a drive over. And it's basketball. Same goal. 21 seconds. Now, Kumara. Pass to Martinez. Now, Marisol attacking pass to Martinez in the free throw line. Jumper, rebound by Marisol. Pass to number 3. Marisol and by Ocampo. Leopo also is good. First 3 points for the team. Number 13. Score is 15-13. Now, Tumatak. He started. Oh, almost steal. But recovered by number 13. Shots are not good. Shot by Tumatak. He's. Also. Back to number 3. Sario. Attacking the lead. Leo Bravo rebound. Secured by number 3. Oh, same ball. Shot clock is 12 seconds. Substitution. River lead. Martinez out. Now, Durasa. It's attacking the lane. Got a ball on number 28. First personal foul. First team foul. Now, Marcelo, I want to inbound play. Got the other. Now, somebody want to come for. The answer is good. Now, Marcelo, next story number 1. Leo, oh, got a foul on number 3. First team foul. Ayan. Now, Salcedo. Almost a steal. Shot clock is 15 seconds. Now, Maliki using his muscle. Block by number 5. One different. Also, takes the ball. Jump in. The ball in the ball. Sabi niyan. Sabi niya. Number 18 pass to number 13. Marisol pass to Malini, 2 seconds was it. Block, but the rebound by number 5. Other pass to number 3. Sario. Layup. What a foul on number 1. Substitution. Padalawin. Foul number 1. First team foul. A second team foul on Team Malini. Number 18, second team foul, 2 free throws score, number 21. First personal foul on the 12. First side for James. Now number 21, second try for James. No good. Rebound by number 18. Now fight. Number 3, Salcedo. Pass number 19. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 19. 9 points already for number 19. 10 for rebound. Almost a double-double for victory. Number 3. Attacking the lane, pass number 30. Pass number 32. Almost, but not quite. Number 3. Second personal foul, 50 foul. By Son. Number 13. Attacking the lane, goes on. Rebound by AJ. Pass number 3. Number 3 tayo. Goes to number 13. So, also stolen by number 13. Layup is good. Change Igor. Oh yeah. Foul. Number 20 foul. Mali. Second personal foul on Mali. Now there are inside pass is stolen by number 28. Now number 30. Pass number 1. Turnover. James Padilla. Uy, Padilla. Rebound secured by number. Bounce pass. Now to Roy, got a foul on number 22. Foul on number 22. Second advance time. Salcedo with a layup is good. Now a 3-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. Padilla. Number 3, now there. Attacking the lead. Hey! Not the other lead. Time out, time out. Three-point lead. Official score 21-18 in favor of Atlantic Basketball. Now by Son encouraging the ball. Salcedo jumper. No rebound by Karali. Secured by number 8 Magdaya. What a high number. Sanchez. Pass to Gutierrez. Jumper. No rebound by Magdaya. Now Salcedo. Alright, Bernal is stolen by De La Torre. Number 27. It goes by number 16 now to number 12. Blocked by number 13. 30. Pass to number 20. Rebound by Espailado. Time out, Atlantic Basketball. Official score 21-20 in favor of Atlantic. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Kusod. Yun! Nagkano siya! Nagbabay, mali! 7 rebounds, 4 malinis. Grabe ang rebound na team Atlantic. Now, number 1, Allen Canigal. To number 3, Salcedo. Haras by number 27. Back to Canigal. Takes a 3. Rebound secured by Magday. 8. Inside pass to Magday. Downward. Local. Rebound by Canigal. To Salcedo. Pass number 3. Wala pa. Knockdown. Grabe, number 28, malinis. Grabe. 28 rebounds already on team Atlantic. Sanchez. Attacking pass to Canigal. Number 1, Canigal. 40-point penalty, shot clock 14 seconds. Now, they are on it. Now, Gutierrez. Pass to number 7. Uy! Forces his way out the pass to Bison. They are Bristol. Now, a 3-point lead for Team Atlantic. Gutierrez. Step up number, rebound. Boy, what a ball. One number 28 penalty. Third personal foul, number 28. Penalty. First by Border final offline. Second try. It's good. Foul on number 12. Penalty. Two shots for number 13. First try no good. Second try is good. Back to 3-point lead with 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Bison, now Marigal takes the rebound by Canaris. Boy, but a foul on number 8, Magday. Second personal foul penalty. First try, now by number 19 is good. Second try, rebound by Sanchez. To number 8, Magday. Back to number 27, De La Torre. Magday, back to De La Torre. Pass to number 12. Takes it and rebound. Sanchez. Oh my God. Pass to number 12. Now pass to number 12. Rebound by Canaris. defense by number 37. Only 3 minutes. Shot clock 16. Shout out kay Richard. Oh, bumalik pa siya. Number 3. Ito pa rin nga, hindi na siya. Logo, rebound out, throw pa. Good na ulit. Oy, 8 seconds, sayang. Sayang. Same ball. Now, number 27. Shot minus 10 seconds. Back to Magdaya. Back to number 27. Forces his way. Now to number 8. Magdaya with a jumper. Rebound. He's 30. Rebound. Number 2. Yeah, Logo. Rebound by Magdaya. Now Magdaya. Stolen. Almost a steal. To Sanchez. Shot clock is 8:16. Back to Sanchez. Back to number 7. By number 7. Second personal goal on number 19. Penalty. Change table with 90.7 seconds. Next game. X versus Iron. That was 2-point lead. Shot clock is off. Now, Balsor pass to number 19. Forces his way. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot again. On the pass to the seconds remaining. About 6 seconds. Arigal. Oy.
Sa bawat handaan, ikaw ang bida. Malutong na balat ang itang lasa. Ang bango mo'y umaabot sa kalsada. Imistasyon walang makakatalo pa. Siksik sa linang ng tamang timpla. Sa bawat kagat damang-dama. Pamilya, barkada, sama-sama. Lagi may dahilan yung isang mesa. Yung misleksyon, ang sarap ng buhay. Sa bawat okasyon, ikaw ang alay. Malutong at malasa, walang kapantay. Yung misleksyon, forever sa taglay. Sa araw ng Pasko o kahit kaarawan, yung misleksyon ang tawag ng bayan. Huwag naman maghintay, subukan mo na ang lechon na kayang magpasaya. Siksik sa linang ng tamang timpla. Sa bawat kagat damang-dama. Pamilya, barkada, sama-sama.
Official score 27-25. Now, number 1. Bouncing the ball. Pass to number 13. Jack Kapsey. Jack Luka. Number 13. Now, number 1 to read. Number 3 secured by number 19. His 16th rebound of the game. Now, Balsor. Shot. Pass number 9 by number 5. Shot number 1 by number 18. Pass number 8 going to the jumper. Rebound by number 22. Now to number 3, Sario. Uy. Turnover. Now the monster rebounder, number 19 with 17 rebounds. Wow. But number 19 down to Bison for 3. No point rebound there. That defense, Minister. To number 1. Number 13. It's number 22. Number 13. My shot. Right to the middle. It's number 3. Third center, ball is in play. One high by number 3, Salcedo. First team foul. First personal foul. Number 13, rebounding the ball. Now to number 1. Now to also. Number 13. Back number 22. One drop by number 19. We can drop it again. Now Bison. Shot number rebound by number 19. 18 rebounds with 12 points. Robert already for number 19. Now to number 1. Throwing the his fourth steal of the game. 7 minutes in. Now Maris attacking the lane. They have the good rebound. Secured by number 19 again. Oi. Shot 36 seconds. Balapal number 1. Second personal foul on Ocampo. First team foul. Marinit. Goes this way, but a foul on number 3. Third personal foul on Sario. 2 bonus free throw shots. For number 28, Marinit. First try is no good. Second try for number 28. Good. Shooter's bounce. Now to Sario. Down to the captain. Number 13. Now what a steal by number 28. Shot rebound secured by Bison. Shot second rebound by Hari. Now it's number 1. Pass number 22. Now 3. Third over. Score is 28-29. He's still in favor of August. Number 4. Number 18. Sure, whatever. 21. Number 7. And final. Very good. Now it's number 18. Ola bounce pass to number 19. Over. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. That's the lead by number 19. 19 rebounds. Now also. What a steal by number 3. What a defense by number 3. Now, what a lead by number 19 is 14 points up the game together with his 19 rebounds. Solid by Salcedo. At the Nasabeti, Nagurita by El Painado. Now El Painado, Painado, now Subadera. Uy. 3 seconds. Violation. All number 5. Substitution. Alvarez in, not in. Karaik out. Salcedo for the lead. Rita Balmarini. Pass number 9. Jumper good. Number 9, San. Guarding the ball. Shot clock 24 seconds. Shot clock reset. Now Paula. Subalini. Layup is good. Change. 22-21. Still. A low scoring game. El Painado. A shot game goes in his way. Rebound by Empanado. Oh, rebound by Alvarez. Now to Salcedo. Shot no good.
Malas ang play.
Hey.
Malas.
Yankee basketball. Number 38. Maliit. Shot clock is 12 seconds. Alvarez, pass by also. Inside pass of the lane, atop the lane, blocked by number 8.
Isip na naman yung shot clock.
First block for Gia Pagay. And second shot clock on Team Atlantic Basketball. Alvarez. Floater is good. Now also ball scratch over.
Offensive.
Oh, what number 7? What a matchup group by El Painado. Foul number 9, Tad. First personal foul. Second team foul. Rebound, 28 rebound by number 19, Caraíba. Breaking behind. Rebound again, and 21st rebound by block by number 5. 3 second violation. Fourth block by number 5, Paligari. Now, Masai, Sozo, Otami, Galing, pass to Madera, pass to number 5, Logulima by number 5, foul by the skyscraper. Oh, got a foul on number 8. Take this over, second foul. 18 foul. Carigado with the rebound and a shot. Each people.
Offensive.
Okay. Offensive ball, number 21. So center. Atangeli pass to Alvarez is good for a pull-up jumper. Also. Well, something good by the muscle man. Wow. 14 foul. 13 foul. Barbados free throw on number 7. Balik kayo sa iyo. Emprego. The score is new. The score is now tied at 38. Alvarez, 34. Salcedo pass number 28. Well, blue by number 28. Traveling one number 3. By Southeast Salcedo. Now to my son. Harap kay Madera. Pero foul ang Madera. Penalty. Martinez, back in.
Ng camera ba
Number 19, back in. Bonnie.
Panay ka cellphone.
First to rise, no good. 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Second try, no good. Rebound by Oviedo. Same ball, shot clock 40. Same ball, shot clock 40. Rebound again by number 19. It's 20. First, kaya masyari, Lloyd. Lloyd for the number 30 by Son is good. Now 4-point lead for team Atlantic Basketball. Wala. 3. Good by number 30. Oh. Sa official timeout. Madulas.
Basa din yan eh.
Yun, si Pedro na ito. Pasaya tayo, pre. Kagaya na ito. Kagaya na ito. Daki ito na ito. Number 3, Sario. Attacking the lead. Washington is rolling with a shot. 42-40. Still a 2-point lead for team Kentucky. Shot clock 18. Alvarez takes a 3. No good rebound. Uy, by Alvarez. Miscommunication. By Sario, double rebound by Tan. Shot of foul for number 22. Third personal foul penalty. First try for Tan is good. Second try. Open lead. Sign over.
Si Bay.
Oh. Sorry, 8 violation. Last 30. 5 seconds. Shot clock is 18. Blocked by number 22. Attacking the lead. What a nice head by Sario. Shot clock is up. 44-42. One-side game for this one team. Shot clock is 12 seconds. Martinez on the road pass. Simple. Shot clock is up. 7-8-7. Now, Bison. Attacking 3 seconds. Violation. Exactly. 3 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Stand by time. Second game, USN Toronto versus K&K Motor 3. Oi. Alvarez pass to Bison. Pass to Alvarez. Shot. Better ball on number 8. Right, ball graduation on number 8. Patay. Salcedo, the closer, now a 4-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. Bayang jump shot is good. Pergi, salah sekali itu pressure. Woi, struggling on this basketball. Now to the corner. Back to number 12. Closer, double rebound, secured by Karahi. His 22nd rebound of the game. 9 minutes remaining. And so back to Alvarez, it's a 3. Rebound by Karahi, his 23rd, and a pass to Alvarez. First assist of the game. That takes a 3. Nagai for 3. Okay, so Philip Jumper is good off the glass. Still a 3-point lead. Team Atlantic. They go on there. Ganito. Attacking the lane. Pass to number 30. Throw back. Nagulong na ba na rin? Layup by Sol. Nagulong rebound by Magday. To Sanchez. Pass to number 27. Back to the ring now to Sanchez. For 3. Double rebound by Marie. Offensive foul on Marie. 4 personal foul. Warning for graduation. On number 28.
Third na, France.
Yeah, substitution. Also. Sementara. Shot double rebound by Barapal number 5. Mariari. Extension down. Second team down. Gumara. Closer. No good. Rebound by number 8. Barapal. Now a 5-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. Now also. Back to Madera. Masai. For 3. Rebound secured by Gaigis. 24 rebounds of the game. 24 correction. Shot clock 16 seconds. Another jumper. Rebound by Gaigis. What a pass to number 89. Not good. Foul on number 13. Substitution in by number 8. Next game, Mandano University George versus A&A. traveling, same foot. Still a 9-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. Now, Pedro. Another pass to Alvarez. No good. Rebound secure by Alvarez. One rebound defense play by Team Atlantic. Pass number 38. Shot is good. Now 7-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. Now, jumper for Mr. Alzo. One time out. Two Sargento. Para by two vendors. Loader. Ayun, is seven by overtime. Now, all alone. What a pass from number 3. Grabe. Sky is the limit. Now, Sargento. Oh, goes in his way. Riley more graduation and number 5. 13 down.
Wala, may ano, may sakit sa mga pakaramdam. Oo, pag-vertigo. Ano yun? Puyat sa kanya. Oo, kasi sa kawadi ng ano eh, biyahe. Eh ano pa ngayon, mainit pa ngayon.
Rebound by also. Okay, number 1 also. Oh, recovered the ball. Madela. Shot clock is 13. Also. And final. Using his muscle. What an offensive foul. Number 7. First personal foul. Still. Wala. Number 30, down to 4 minutes and 55 seconds. What a beat! What a pass, number 38! Now, Maria takes a 3-0 rebound by Maria, with 11 rebounds of the game. Down to 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Still out there with now on the pass to Orzo. Oh, what a step move, but a miss. Now Salcedo. Inside pass, number 28. Layup is good. Now Orzo. Foul number 1. Foul on Team Atlantic Basketball. What a defense by Atlantic Basketball.
Next game kayo, Franz? Next game kayo? You missed? Oo nga daw, sabi ni Darwin, narinig ko kanina nag-try out. Kaya wala. Narinig ko.
Isa na lang tayo. One timeout remaining on Team Hornets and 3 on Team Atlantic. 3 timeouts remaining for Team Atlantic. Down to 4 minutes. On its ball. Ada center three number rebound by Matay. Grabe yung partner. Down to 5.3. The higher hitting Gian Matay. Zone defense. This is zero. Back to number 13, back to number 3, Sergeant number rebound by Madera. What a shot by Gian, by James Madera. The 13th foul on Team Atlantic. Now the 3-point lead with 3 minutes and 25 seconds. One timeout remaining on Team Rockets and 2 timeouts on Atlantic Basketball. Next game, Unison Children against K&K Modern Grade. Shout out sa coach ng K&K, ang reigning finals MVP ng Sunday Love. Madera bonus free throw. Shot is good. The lead is down to 2 in 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Now Garcia. Pass to number 3. The shot clock is 6 seconds. Madera. Hesitation move, attack the lane. Pass to number 7. Using his muscle over. Rebound by number 18 is 26. Rebound. Now he's in pass. Blocked by number 8. Also. Madera, jumper, number rebound by is still blocked out the game. What a monster game by number 19. Shout out kay Alpao. He won by number 7. Now get 3-point lead with 2 minutes and 27. Shot is 30 seconds. Number 13. Pass to number 3. 7-0. Shot clock is 2. Now to 10. Now 0-0 victory. What a time to be. Number 3 again. Back to back 3-point shot on number 3. Also. Stolen by number 19. Stolen by the foul of number 13. 1-point penalty with 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. First foul by Ozil. Penalty. According sa ating statistyan, penalty. First round for Bison. Shot is no good. 28 and number 22 baliktad. Presto. Walang isa. Next game, PNP, Mother Dream. Uy, two coaches. Good. Second time, goes out. Out the pass, Shot, no good, by McKay. Stolen, number 28. Holy, congratulations, 9. Forcing foul, 1 minute and 29 seconds remaining. Shot number 17. Palabas to number 22. Reservation. What happened? Energy. That week on number 8, Gian Magdaya. Still a 4-point lead for Team Atlantic Basketball. NLC.
Sumulan kagabi.
Ang Holy Week. Holy Week special.
First try for the Monster. This time is good. 30 points, 9 rebounds. Oy. Yeah, amen. 5-point lead lamang yan. Still 1 minute and 20 seconds. Uy. Wala. Sabi dito ni. Uy, foul on number 21. Energy. Wow, big man move showcased by number 7. First try of hits. Big Karim. 30 points, 29 rebounds. Second try is good. Last 59 seconds. Still a 5-point lead. Defense. Late violation. Substitution. Martinez in. And out. Number 22. Number 22. Four personal fouls, warning for graduation para penalty. All timeouts remaining on Team Otis Basketball. Otis, meron ka pala. Atlantic, wala na. Sorry.
Skin pa lang. Delay, no? Sumbay mga pulis.
Last 56.6.
I-post mo pag ganun tayo. Tuloy.
Okay lang, di naman perfecto eh.
Let's try with number 19. Ari is doing. Second try, number 3 and 5, and ready. Now, to number 21. Atlantic. First try is not good. Still a 6-point lead with 32.8 seconds remaining. Rebound! 32nd rebound by number 19. Royal Master. Bayano is starting early. Foul by number 22. With a crucial time also on number 22. Nice try, short.
Malobo.
Now, second try, number 3. Rebound by number 10. There's a lead. Rebound by Fire. Shot is good. 0-6 goal lead. All number 18. All is up. First try with number 19. No good. Second try. Final score 70-66. Atlantic Basketball wins their first game of the season.
So congratulations to the winning team, Atlantic Basketball. We have here Coach Rodri Elovida and our best player for the game, Victor Ig, with 18 points, 27 rebounds, 2 assists, 5 steals, and 3 blocks. What a ball game today, Coach Rodri. So, masyadong dikit yung first 2 games nyo, Coach. Ano bang naging adjustment nyo for the this game?
Kasi, ang nangyari kasi, alam ko naman na magagaling ng player ng Team Outage. So, lalo na yung Oso. So, yun ang unang strategy. Box 1 kay Oso. And then, wala kaming gitna. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang. Siyempre, dahil sa nakikinig yung team, sipag, saka effort nila na manalo, puso, nakita naman. Yun lang po.
So, Vic, what a dominant performance for you today with 27 big points. So, ano bang pinaghanda mo talaga ngayong araw na to? Nakita ko pagod ka na, nagpapasag ka na, pero you keep on moving your feet and grab those rebounds.
Sa akin lang po is, kailangan po namin yung panalo na to kasi first game po namin is natalo po kami. And pinangadaan po namin ito para ma-dominant po namin yung Team Otis. Kasi alam din po namin na mayroon silang big man na malaki pero tainted na rin po dahil hindi nakapaglaro yung big man nila.
So, lastly, Coach Rodri, on your next game, ano bang maasahan namin sa game nyo for the next game?
So ngayon, wala pa talaga kami plan. Pero bubutin namin na skill. Ganun pa rin, bibigay pa rin namin yung best namin. Team effort pa rin. Kasi on the spot talaga kami gumawa ng sabi.
Okay, once again, thank you guys and congratulations.
Shout out lang po.
Shout out.
Shout out po sa mga ating Atlantic dyan. Shout out sa San Pares. Kay Coach ano? Coach Danilo. Lagi ka na lang wala. Team owner. JM, magpakain ka naman ngayon.
Thank you.